If you've ever had a conversation about purpose, you know that it can be daunting and vulnerable. We get overwhelmed thinking about why we do our work and who we hope to impact. But what's most paralyzing is that we feel like we must get the right answer, identify the one purpose that will fix all our problems and be our life's calling. That's a lot of pressure. Well, maybe we don't need to think that way. I learned that we can see purpose not as one North Star, but as a constellation of stars. Our purpose doesn't need to be one calling, it could be multiple callings that work together. Like stars in a constellation, they can form a clear, recognizable pattern. And this isn't just any random group of pursuits, it's a constellation of endeavors that generate a larger, coherent vision. So, when you have trouble finding your purpose, let go of finding the one North Star. Instead, expand. Include all the endeavors that speak deeply to you. Your purpose can be as complex as you are. And your constellation doesn't need to make sense to anyone else. It just needs to feel true to you. So, what stars might be part of your constellation? My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas that can help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider signing up in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you, and have a great day.